Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix black screen on Palworld. So there's a few fixes to this. The first one would be to open up your launcher. So for example, I use Xbox. I'm going to show you how to do this on Steam too. So on launcher, you want to go ahead and verify the file. So you're going to click on these three dots, then go to manage, and then on files, and here click verify and repair the files. On Steam, it looks like the same basically. Open up properties. On properties, you want to click install files and then verify integrity of game files. You also want to go ahead and run it as administrator, the Palworld file. You're going to go to manage files, going to browse it, then Palworld, content, pal, binaries, WinGDK, and then this shipping file. Go to properties, compatibility, run it as administrator, apply, and OK. And of course on Steam it would be the same. You also, if you are using Steam, you also want to go ahead and run Steam as administrator. Now, if that didn't fix the problem and you are using Steam, you want to go ahead and go on Steam. Then you want to right click on your Palworld game. Then you want to go to properties. And here you will see a launch option. So you want to go ahead and write this down. -ngx disable OTA. You want to go ahead and write this down, and this usually fixes the problem for Steam users. Now you can also do the same for Xbox. You can go ahead and take your desktop shortcut, for example, of Palworld, of course, and then you're gonna right click on it, go to properties, and on the target you're gonna write down the same thing we just did, but you want to add space in the front. Now, if that still didn't fix the problem, there's the last solution for it. So go ahead, open up your NVIDIA control panel. This is for NVIDIA users. Then you're going to select adjust desktop size and position. And after that, you're going to choose here perform scaling on, basically choose whichever you are using. Or maybe GPU, and then override the scaling mode set by games and programs. You want to check this. Then click apply and OK. And that should fix the problem with Palworld black screen. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.